this is PC Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on switch control on Macbook. Before we get started, remember to hit subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. If you have difficulty using a mouse or trackpad, you can control your computer using one more switches button that perform particular function. A switch can be any input device connected to the computer, such as keyboard case, mouse button, a joystick, or an adaptive switch device. So what if you want to turn on this feature? You want to enable this feature? It's so simple. So first, you can just go to your system preferences, open your system preferences on your MacBook. Now you can click on accessibility. Go to accessibility settings. From here, you can just scroll down and you'll find there's an option switch control. You can just click on that. On the general section, there is an option to enable the switch control. You can just click on the checklist on that. So now, as you can see, the switch control will be appear on your MacBook screen like this. You can also change the appearance of your switch control in here. You can change from light to dark, from dark to light like this. In here, you can also settings for these settings on the switch bar, switch control. Sorry. After that, now you can just use this switch control on your MacBook. It's so simple, right? So that is how to enable, how to turn on switch control on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.